We'll make a half-fold greeting card that looks like this. Here in a new document, set up the page by clicking on Layout, Page Setup, and changing the margins for the top, left, bottom, and right to 0. Change the orientation to landscape, then click OK. Click Ignore. Hold the Enter key down until there's 2 pages. The top left-hand side is the back of the card. The top right-hand side is the front of the card. The bottom left-hand side is the left-hand side of the inside of the card. The bottom right-hand side is the right-hand side of the inside of the card. I'll start by making the front of the card. I'll insert a text box by going to Insert, Text Box. I'll select Simple Text Box. I'll change the wrap text to In Front of Text. I'll change the shape outline to No Outline and change the text to Happy Mother's Day. I'll then change the font to a nice font like Edwardian script, and the font size will be 52. I'll make the text bold, and I would like to center the text. Now I'll insert a picture. Insert, Pictures, then select where the picture is coming from. In my case, it's this device. I'll select the roses. Here, the picture is kind of large, so I'm going to crop it by clicking on Crop. And I'll crop out a lot of this white space. I'll press Enter on the keyboard. Now the picture is cropped. I'll then change the layout options to In Front of Text. And then place the roses where I wish to have them. I'll now modify the back of the card. I'll add a picture. Insert, Pictures. The picture I want is on this device. I'll select the picture I want. Change the layout to In Front of Text. And adjust the picture to where I want it. I'll work on the inside, right-hand side of the card. I would like another text box, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this text box here to select it, and then I'll go to Copy, Paste, and then move the new text box down to the second page. I'll then adjust the size of the text box. Then I'll place the text that I have inside of the text box. You can type in your greeting if you wish. Make a few adjustments. I'll select the text and then I'll change the font to font size 42. I'll adjust the text box. And now I'll insert some family pictures. I'll click off of the text box, go to Insert, Pictures, select the picture that I want, which will be on this device. Start with the first family picture. Change its layout to In Front of Text. I'll adjust the size of the picture to make sure it's not on the other side of the card. The picture looks a little dark, so I'm going to adjust it by going to Corrections and changing a brightness. I'll then go to Picture Format and select the format that I want for this picture. I would like to remove the border, So go to Picture Border, No Outline. Click off the picture, and then I'll add another family picture. Change the layout options to in front of text. I'll adjust the size of the picture. I'll change the picture style. And again, since the picture is dark, I'll go to Corrections and I'll add some brightness. I would like this picture here to be in front of this picture. So I'll right mouse click on the picture that I want to be in front, and then I'll click on Bring to Front and make some adjustments. I got some white space here, so I'll go to Pictures and add another picture. I'll select Roses, change the picture text wrapping to in front of text, and adjust the size. I'll modify the text box a little bit, bring it down. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the print setup. Go to File, Print, check to see how it looks. And then to print out is based upon what printer you have. The printer that I have is a double-sided printer, so I need to print on both sides, flip pages on short edge for my printing settings. Print. Here's the card printed out.